In this video, I'm going to be showing you something that most people don't even know exists inside of Windows 11, and that would be screensavers. Yeah, you remember screensavers from back in the day whenever your computer would stay idle for so long and then it would start showing pictures where you see those little bars going across the screen? That is actually still inside of Windows 11. The problem is they have hidden it. So used to, what you'd have to do is go and right click somewhere on the screen, go to personalize, and then there is an option right here for screensaver. However, that's not there. Instead, what you have to do to get to your screensaver options is type into your search bar screensaver. And you can see right here that it comes up with a program called Change Screensaver. And if you open that up, you can see that we now have a very old looking computer with a screensaver option, just like you would see in Windows XP even. So yeah, you still have screensavers and they work exactly the same way they did previously, but this time it is automatically selected that there is no screensavers on your computer. So you also have it preset that it is wait time of 1 minute. You might want to change that in case you are having a screensaver. But yeah, there's your screensavers, there's your options, and well, it's the same that it used to be. Let's go ahead and preview it. And there you have it. Alright, thank you all very much. I hope this was helpful. If it was, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.